Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Well, if you're new here, then let me introduce myself. This is Qazi Amit Hassan. I'm a full-time grad student in the School of Computing of Queen's University, Canada. So, in this video, I'm going to talk about that how you can get started with Kaggle and get into the Kaggle competition zone. So many of you guys have texted me and asked that how you can start doing Kaggle competitions or get used to the Kaggle environment. So in this video, I'm going to give you a tour about the whole Kaggle thing and how you can get into the competition zone very quickly. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. The Kaggle's homepage right now. So after you giving your credentials and everything stuffs, you will get redirected to this page. So as you can see, there's three separate cards. First one is learn to compete on Kaggle, then take a short course or browse inspiring data. So let me go with two approaches. Suppose first one is you are a completely new in the data science field, and another criteria is you have some sort of experience about Python and other stuffs. So first, let's go with the first one, that you are completely new in this data science area. So how you can approach and do the Kaggle things. So first of all, you need to learn about the environment. Okay, so you can take a short course about that. This course is really good, I would say. There's a lot of courses out the internet, but I would suggest you to stick with this. This will help you to give you all the basic informations about Kaggle. So suppose you have completed you don't know Python, you don't know machine learning, anything. So you just go there and do the courses, how to declare the function, what about the data types, etc. So after completing these courses, you will get some idea about the programming languages and how to read the data set and do the EDA and other stuffs. Then you are good to go for any sort of competitions. You can explore any other courses in the learn section right now, right here. So you can learn about the Python, the pandas libraries, about the feature engineering. Well, I must tell you that the feature engineering plays a huge role in Kaggle competition. So you must need to know about how you can do features, do engineer the feature really well. Make sense? Okay. Another thing is this data cleaning. Data cleaning is a very crucial part whenever you are in a competitions, because most of the data have outliers, have missing values, and other sort of problems. So you must need to know how to clean your data to get it ready for the ML model. Okay, so this is the courses. You can export the courses and do them at your own pace, I would say. So this was my suggestion for the people who are completely new. Now let's go in the second part. Suppose you know the Python, you know some algorithms of machine learning, then how you can get into the Kaggle competition. So then you can directly go in the competition section, then click all competition and select any competition, but I would suggest you to select a relatively simpler competition. I let's say it's tabular playground series, because it's easy to play with the tabular data and get know the environment. First you need to read the description very well, that what is this problem about and everything. Then you should go to the data section and see that how's the data and what are the columns they have, everything. Before that you must join the competition. I need to click on the I understand. Then you can see the data, the description, everything, everything are mentioned here. Then you can see the codes that people make public for it. Now here's the best thing about the Kaggle. Before diving into any competition, first read the codes of other people, read about their approaches, read how they approach a problem, how they tackle different sort of uh, what would I say, different sort of algorithms, how they use them in a certain scenario. So these sort of little things you can learn by seeing others code. Okay, so it's really important to see the codes here, and also you need to see the discussions, because if you regularly give a certain amount of time in these discussions, then you will much know about the process of the Kaggle. Like you don't know about the leaderboard shakeup in the Kaggle, right? So let me explain this thing a bit. There's two separate things in the leaderboard. First one is the private, and second one is the like public. So when the competition is ongoing, in the ongoing phase, you will see the public leaderboard. But after the competition finishes, your model will be evaluated based on the private dataset. So that will be your final leaderboard. I didn't know about this thing when I start Kaggle. So this thing can shake up your position in the leaderboard by a huge margin if you don't know about the leaderboard shakeup thing. And you how you can tackle this problem, you will get to know about that by uh, studying these sort of discussions. Okay, so also this discussion is a great source of learn different techniques and different algorithms which will be beneficial for this competition and for your futures too. So I would suggest you to regularly check the discussions, the codes, and get into a competition as soon as possible. Don't waste your time on different common Titanic data sets, MNIST data set. Don't do that. Do a real competition. Start by making mistakes. So this is my suggestions to all the persons out there, that just do it. That's the main thing. So that's all for this video. I hope you get the right instructions for starting your Kaggle journey. So keep Kaggling and peace out.